Ever heard the advice, work smart, not hard? Well, what if I shared that it goes beyond clever work strategies? It's about transforming your very essence to welcome the realm of passive income. Curious? Let's explore. What is passive income? Well, it's money that comes in regularly without you actively working for it. Imagine making cash flow while sipping your favorite drink on the beach. Sounds like a dream, right? But trust me, it's not just a dream. It's a reality you can achieve. Now, let's explore some fantastic ideas to kickstart your journey to financial independence. Real estate investments. Discover the intricate strategies that lead to wealth through real estate investments. Explore the diverse avenues, including managing rental properties, participating in real estate crowdfunding, and delving into the lucrative world of Airbnb hosting. Gain comprehensive insights into the nuances of each, empowering yourself with the knowledge to navigate and thrive in the dynamic realm of property-based passive income. Dividend stocks. Uncover the enchanting world of dividend-paying stocks. Acquire the knowledge of proven strategies to construct a robust portfolio that not only grows, but showers you with regular payouts, allowing your money to diligently work for you within the dynamic stock market landscape. Create an online course. Transform your expertise into a lucrative venture by crafting and selling online courses. In the digital age's clamor for valuable content, delve into the intricacies of creating and effectively marketing your courses, ensuring a continuous stream of passive income. Affiliate marketing. Capitalize on your online presence through the art of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a social media maven or a seasoned blogger, learn the hacks that empower you to maximize earnings by adeptly promoting other people's products, turning your influence into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Write a book or ebook. Harness the power of words by exploring how writing a book or an ebook can be a phenomenal source of passive income. Navigate through the step-by-step process of bringing your masterpiece to life, understanding how to get it published, and setting the stage for continuous royalties for years to come. Peer-to-peer lending. Become your own financial institution with peer-to-peer lending platforms. Delve into the potential returns and risks of this passive income strategy as you extend loans directly to individuals or small businesses, understanding the dynamics of this hands-on approach to wealth accumulation. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Monetize your passion by launching a blog or YouTube channel. Whether your forte lies in the written word or captivating visuals, gain insights into building a dedicated audience and effectively turning your content into a lucrative source of passive income. License your photography or art. If you're a visionary in the realms of photography or art, learn the art of turning your creations into a perpetual paycheck. Navigate the process of licensing your work, ensuring you earn royalties every time your artistic expressions are utilized. Automated online businesses. Embark on a journey into the realm of automated online businesses. From the intricacies of dropshipping to the finesse of affiliate marketing, discover ventures that not only thrive, but practically run themselves, granting you unparalleled freedom to sculpt life on your terms. Create and sell digital products. As we conclude our exploration, immerse yourself in the realm of creating and selling digital products. Unleash your creativity by transforming your artistic or technical skills into a sustainable source of passive income. Whether it's crafting customizable templates, creating digital art, or offering exclusive digital downloads, learn the intricacies of digital product creation. Discover effective pricing strategies and marketing techniques to ensure your creations become a valuable asset in your journey toward financial independence. There you have it, 10 incredible passive income ideas to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the key is not just to dream about wealth, but to take actionable steps to make it a reality. Which idea resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more valuable content.